Speed skating returned to the impressive Hamar Olympic Hall Viking ship for what was to be an historic mixed team sprint final. This event is for teams of 4 competitors, 2 men and 2 women, made up of athletes from different nations. Team 6 included the Italian Noemi Bonazza, who had taken bronze in the individual 1500 metres, and Chung Jae-woong from the Republic of Korea, who'd come 3rd in the men's 500 metres, as well as Shen Hanyang of China and Sumia Buyang-Tok in the blue, looking to make history and win Mongolia's first Olympic winter medal. The ladies on the first 2 legs got the team off to a great start. But it was Shen who put them in medal contention, allowing Chung of Korea to sprint for home. Their time of 1 minute 57.85 looked certain for a medal. Which one? The gold medals went to Team 6, with Sumia Buyang-Tok winning Mongolia's first ever Olympic Winter Games medal, an historic moment at these Lillehammer Youth Olympics. Italy's Noemi Bonazza, China's Shen Hanyang and Chung Jae-woong of the Republic of Korea joined her on the podium. The silver went to Team 9, Karolina Gazecka of Poland, Elisa Dool of the Netherlands, Kazakhstan's Anvar Mukhamadev and Austin Kleber of the USA. Bronze was won by Team 10, made up of Mihaela Hogas of Romania, Kiera Christelli of Italy, Germany's Ola Jeska and Alan Dahl Johansen of Norway.
Ladies and gentlemen, please stand for the Olympic anthem.